The series of reports this week and last week on Times Now about the suspicious Chinese company Huawei making a massive entry into the telecom sector despite repeated intelligence warnings and the stitching of a deal with the Indian Institute of Science have drawn widespread criticism from security experts and even some political parties. Today, the telecom minister responded. He criticized the news reports. "We won't compromise on national security," he said. But questions remain on how, despite repeated warnings, this Chinese company today straddles almost the whole of Indian telecom.
It's one of the world's largest telecom companies, but also the most controversial and suspicious. Linked widely to the Chinese government, their chief earlier with the People's Liberation Army, Times Now has exposed through a series of government documents how intelligence agencies, the Defense Ministry and the National Security Council Secretariat warned about letting Huawei enter Indian telecom. The telecom minister, who called a news conference on Huawei, criticized news reports on the suspicious Chinese company. He said there was nothing wrong with Huawei getting into a deal with the Indian Institute of Science.
A particular channel is saying that we are, in fact, in this process, we are jeopardizing the security of India instead of protecting it. We have great respect for the media. We are not criticizing the media. But as the Prime Minister said, that sometimes the media becomes the investigator, the prosecutor and the judge. So we request them to be the investigators, help us prosecute somebody if necessary, and arrive at informed judgment. Huawei has come forward, given its own internal architecture, own detailed design, which is their intellectual property, which is there given to us. So there is no collaboration of any sort, no danger. I mean, Government of India protects India's security.
One fact, though, that remains unclear is how Huawei had struck massive deals for hardware with the biggest telecom companies despite a telecom ministry warning. The minister faced a straight question on that.
Isn't it true that in 2009 the Department of Telecom had told the private telecom companies to be careful or in dealing with this particular company, which is Huawei?
No. You see, it is true that at one point in time there was a fear that, but now 80% of this equipment is already there with the private vendors. It's already there. Therefore, we must make sure that our security is in place. That is why the testing facility. But now we have a self-certification process, right? Now, if we find that there is in the interim, till we develop a facility, something goes wrong, we're going to take very strong action. But at the moment, there is nothing to fear because Huawei has come forward with saying, here is our design, here is our architecture. You develop whatever protocols you want to develop. And the same thing will happen with other vendors because now it has become mandatory, right? So there is no worry at all.
Some sources tell Times Now India can't upset the Chinese government by banning Huawei. However, Huawei has faced action in the US too, and the jury is out on whether letting this company straddle Indian telecom is good for our national security. Bureau Report, Times Now.